If you are wondering how to buy shares of Haugesund Sparebank, this quick guide will help. Haugesund Sparebank is a regional Norwegian savings bank listed on Euronext with the ticker HGSB.OL, and this video is for educational purposes only, not investment advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and we use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will normally need to verify your account with an ID document and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HGSB.OL to locate the share. Select the Haugesund Sparebank listing that matches the Euronext exchange. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the listing is Haugesund Sparebank with ticker HGSB.OL on Euronext before proceeding. Tap the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you wish to invest, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After the purchase, the position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to explore the platform used in this example.